Today, being the afternoon of Sunday, the 21st of September 2025, I would like to greet you and welcome you again to our channel and presentation for this afternoon. I'd like to thank you for taking time off your schedule to be with us. That is highly appreciated, and I do not take it for granted at all. I'd like also to remind you about the importance of subscribing to the channel, of liking the videos, and of publicizing, letting other people in your various and respective networks know, let them know about this channel and invite them to be part of it, because I think it's very important and it's very critical for development of as part of the discourse for development of Africa and its people. So even more importantly is for you to comment in the comment section and advise and contribute in as how do you envisage or see this channel or this movement that we have started developing, both in terms of content and structure and mode of presentation. That is highly appreciated. I thank those of you who have already taken steps in that direction. Perhaps as we have said many times before, that this is a YouTube channel like no other, and we have also stressed that what it is not, and we've emphasized the fact that this is not a current affairs channel necessarily. It's about matters of innovation, developments in science, technology, and the development of the people of Africa. That's what this channel is about, and everything else around that. But perhaps those of you who are following developments will know that on the 6th of July this year, a commissioner of the South African Police Services in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, made a public briefing that perhaps sets the stage for the what I foresee as being the most drastic developments, as one of the most drastic and fundamental and profound developments that has happened and that is to happen in our country. And it's something that no serious platform on matters of development, which is really development is about the livelihoods of people, could ignore. So, and because it has set into action a series of developments which culminated in the last week to him, that is General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, making a presentation broadcasted to the entire nation and indeed the entire world, as part of what the President of the Republic has set up as the Madlanga Commission to look into matters or allegations associated with infiltration and corruption of the criminal justice system in South Africa. And I thought that and something which General Mkhwanazi in his address characterized as a terrorism threat, and a threat of not just infiltration, which he claims that is already at an advanced level, but the take of the criminal justice, various levels and areas of the criminal justice system in South Africa, including the executive, and by the criminal syndicates and drug cartels. And as we know, drug business is an international enterprise. So a threat or any move by drug syndicates, cartels, and enterprises is a threat to the sovereignty and safety of the people of South Africa. So, and I thought that perhaps that's something that we could not ignore. And I said we should ask ourselves, I asked myself a question, I said, I challenge everybody, all of you, all of us, to ask ourselves a question, Ines, what, from the point of view of what is of interest to this channel, which is developments in the sciences, engineering, and technology, how is that affected, or how could that affect, and what are the impacts of that to the sovereignty and development of matters and people of South Africa and the rest of the continent? That is what I'd like us to look at. What are the implications of the recent and current developments, which are gigantic, and from the point of view of developments in the science and technology? I'd like to highlight the following two realities: that when it comes to matters of defense, of sovereignty, so you are talking in the modern world. So, as an example, one of the issues that comes to the fore when it comes to the issues that General Mkhwanazi raised or alleges is that, for instance, the question of forensic science, forensic technology, all those developments in the forensic sciences and forensic technologies and engineering, the ballistic tests, the what have you, all those depend on developments and innovations in the science and technologies. That's my argument. So I would like people who are interested in this channel and who are followers in this channel and who are participants in this channel to look at the current and the likely future developments associated with the Madlanga Commission and the pronouncements and allegations by General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi from that point of view, the point of view of developments and innovations in the sciences, technology, and engineering, which will allow us as a nation, as a country, and as ultimately as a continent to deal and manage issues of drug abuse, infiltration, taking over of government, and so on, and eventually taking over of livelihoods and lifestyle of the people of Africa in our country. That's the point of view that I would like us to take. That's the angle that I like us to engage from. Utemba Wagamataba, I thank you. Bye-bye.